Hi, good evening, all. It's Solicitor Ronald Onyango. Um, uh, I want to give you some breaking news, what has happened today, announced by the government concerning immigration. But before I embark on that, first, I want to take this opportunity to thank all my supporters on my platform. We've hit 10,000 as of this last weekend, and we keep growing, providing and disseminating information to the community. And hopefully, you are deriving enormous benefits from it. We hope to continue growing. Next destination is hitting 50,000 followers. Now, we have 5 areas that have been affected by the changes announced today by the Home Secretary James Cleverly. Um, uh, uh, Labeled as the 5-point plan. It touches on 1, the health and care visas; 2, the skilled worker visas; 3, family visas; 4, the shortage occupation list; and student visas. Those are the 5 main areas that are affected by today's announcement, and they will have some ramifications and significant changes in how things have been running before. Just to give you a gloss summary of the areas and what will be changing, I'll go on them on one by one. The first one is the health and care visa, which has been the most popular one. Uh, the changes will mean that overseas care workers will no longer be able to bring dependents, family dependents. Unfortunately, this is going to be a big blow for. I know this has been a very popular route where people come with their families. These changes signify that this is no longer going to be possible. It is aimed to end the abuse, which most of us will agree has been rampant in the industry, abuse caused by agents and scrupulous agents. Unfortunately, this is going to affect so many people. And furthermore, care firms who are involved in the recruitment industry will now be able to only sponsor people for this visa, and only if they're regulated, and they'll also be regulated by the CQC, which is Care Quality Commission. They will now be under the strict regulation of the CQC, which means things will be quite stringent. The second aspect on the 5-point plan change is under the skilled worker visa, where there is a minimum salary change. The threshold for application will rise to 38,700. This is quite a significant rise. Then other change is going to be on the shortage occupation list, where the government wants to streamline this, whereby it include axing the 20% discount previously applied to some of this qualifying salary. That is going to change. And also there's going to be a review of the list, and with a view to reducing. Actually, the list of the jobs on the shortage occupation will be reviewed, and with a view to being reduced. The other change is going to be on the family. That's change number 4, family visas. Previously, the threshold was 18,600, and that was the last time this was updated was 2012. This is now going to be 38,700. Quite a significant increase, whereby the aim is to ensure that you can only bring dependents to the country if you are quite confident that you can support them. And last but not least is the student visas. Following the tightening, which was announced early in the year, there's been a recommendation that further this be reviewed again and be taken back to the Migration Advisory Committee, and there will be further changes potentially. So in summary, those are the changes which are coming up. If you got any issues about this, please feel free to reach out. Please, guys, follow, share, and also sign on to my YouTube, where I'll be dissecting this in further details. My YouTube is, if you click on my bio page on the link tree, open there, you'll have the website, the YouTube, and Facebook. Please go to the YouTube and subscribe for notification. Thank you very much.